Discover how you can connect and update your parts data in Parts Management, eStock. This cloud-based tool enables users to centrally manage, edit, and share ePlan device and part data across multiple locations via the web browser. This ensures that all project participants work with consistent, up-to-date parts data, making collaboration easier and reducing the need for local IT infrastructure. Use templates to protect your properties and decide which property you want to update. This new feature in Parts Management, eStock, will soon be available to all ePlan users.